Good afternoon, country people. Then we'll be glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. We sorry for late start for program, but we dey here and na for talk wait we don't talk inside the week. Na so for turn back for the story them. We'll be talk inside the week, and for the week we'll be get plenty in them. We talk palava insecurity and palava boy them with the smoke drum cigar with the cash them. Palava too for roads, we talk even school for that side, so for Abattoir na Kwatam, for that side, so from Konsamba, we talk other palava. 20th of May too, Edikam, 20th of May na Sunday, and inside this Sunday, how the thing go wakam, now all the story then that we'll go talk this afternoon as we are there with the stranger them. I want to say good afternoon and happy National Day for you, Doc Ibrahim.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador. You're welcome.
Yes, and as Sabi say, it will be easy for you for come out a day, plenty traffic for roads for you for come for this side today.
We order bad road them before I want to reach for here, and I make a reach late, so my brother.
We thank you for your time, and I want to say thank you too. Good afternoon for you, Ogalewat.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
I'm glad for get you. You will not ever get you one time, but we're glad for get you today.
Me also are glad for be with you today. Thank you.
All right. So now we brought that for Lewat. We say join me this afternoon. So we go start to now. So this afternoon we start talk one time. As we time in a day for we back. Make we take on a go for that side for Biamasi. Inside the week we be talk this palava for picking them with the cash them. Picking them they get 14 to 18 years with the cash them for that side. So for Biamasi. Now for Yawende, quarter for Yawende way they so they be the smoke the trunk cigar them for place where they call them say Biamasi country people them. Make we enter for inside the palabam. Now the picking and that. Now the grass that way they hold also for the hand. We it so na gendarme people themselves for that side. So for Biamasi they be do small investigation. So they meet up with this picking them for place where they ever hide for smoke that trunk cigar. This woman 9 ways according to Tori enter for EM. It be they keep that picking them for a house where Isabi say na ever for they the picking they ever can smoke the trunk cigar where they call and say banger. After with the gendarme people they hear, they carry all them so they come out. Sabi to say this picking their age, it then are between 14 to 18 years. We try to for enter for gendarme place. Sabi say na gendarme people there they answer call them 113. Now they say they pick the call where he talk for them palava this picking the way they don't they cause confusion for inside quarter. So for that side for Biamasi. But Sabi say even as well they don't catch up picking them, plenty people they talk say they no go stay, they go come out. For Sika say waiting, for Sika say they get connection where they fit take ton so they move them for outside. Doctor, will they ever talk this palava for cigar, palava for the trunk cigar, and when we see the age them for this picking them, when you see and so you yourself like Papa for house, waiting be the first thing when you talk. If you say now picking them they don't come up for road where they get for work and they enter for different side.
Well, Mr. Ambassador, thank you very much. I be sure say if country not be bad, for see this kind of picking and reduce canteen. If part they not get money for pay school for picking them, how they go do? They do oblige for do some kind of certain thing they will not quote. Because now the reason that we talk say the country don't scatter, it don't go war for the level where you see this kind of thing the way they picking and do. If they picking they go school, they not for even get times for go take this thing say they go strong for that place for smoke. Because first of all, then their parents not get a means where they feel pay school for the picking them. Even if they not even pay school, if they picking them, be this way they for find some place and put them where they for picking work. How they go work? Because they don't get big man for before where if you take them put them for work. Because if we not get big man now for before, we not feel work for the country. And now the worst bad thing that we did. Now the reason that we see the picking they go do this thing, they smoke this bad cigars and we not find the picking they not already spoil. It gave take a lot of time where the picking they be fine again. They don't do this thing because they life for do. They do because they now now life they don't change them. Say when you do feel difficult for some kind of certain time, you get to do some kind of thing the way they expect them for doing for your life. But when you don't come so, you must do them so. 14 years picking them, you see that kind of picking them. So now the only thing that we talk, Mr. Ambassador.
Now, Ogalewat, when we look this palava for we see they say the person will be the keep the picking them for your house. Now woman, now me say that woman say be say the picking the smoke cigar and normal na picking the way that woman be get for look at them when you see the kind of thing they so. What do you feel for talk like a person says we eat the right for newspaper?
See what if for talk ambassador and I say, even that woman, even that person then where they get for begin keep the country. Any man know they do his own work correctly. Because that woman, if you know say that picking them there for smoke that strong cigar, and they grab it, they go do some kind of thing for quarter. That picking them know say no punishment, no day. They go hold them where they there for smoke, and two days after they will leave them. They will still come, still they smoke, and that woman not see that very bad cigar, they sell them, forget your own money for go do your own business for them. The thing way bad for them, I say, government know they give correct punishment for that picking them, where they do anyhow, where they strong head anyhow, where they stubborn, they just take them after they leave them. I don't know thing where they make say, may they know they give better punishment for that picking them.
Now, you be papa too for house where you see this picking them, then they bring the picking them for your hand where you be gendarme man. Wait if you for doing for them.
This kind of picking them where be gendarme man. I will first reach thing where Lord talks to me the reader. After I tell them, say I get picking them like them for us. And they no must begin do that kind of strong, stubborn. They must go school because if they smoke that kind of strong cigar, you know if you go school again. You know if they do thing where your mother or your papa they tell say would want for us.
Well, Mr. Ambassador, for acting where they talk, I be sure say that woman, na business woman. And where that business where they do so, na very bad business where no fine. Because normally if you see so where they do that, and that means say it get a customer there and it get place. It be like a person where get up license and it get some special place where some kind of people that they come for that up license and they put them for they drink. They come and say VIP. So that means say if you look and find you see say this boy them where they smoke this thing, sometimes it be at their special VIP where they come so they buy now enter for that place, smoke finish and where it be very bad. Now for encourage some kind of certain thing the way not fine. And then if be a place for that gendarme then so at least they give enough punishment for that picking them. Not only for them.
It go change them.
No, but the punishment way they give not for that picking them.
Yeah,
for the other one them. Other one the way they did for back way the member said they fit do that kind of thing. Then after that now they see the kind of thing way they fit do for them. Punishment day and they see which way they fit do for that picking them. For so the observers for some time see whether they picking them, but they really do this thing because they not be get something for do them or they be just do this thing because they give for Duam. If I will be for that place for government.
Okay, now we go left that palaver for strong cigars. Sabi say na picking them 14 to 18 years so they catch them. No ask me the kind casting go they don't give them for them. Nadine, we go just enter for that school. We go left this palaver. We enter for the school one time. School for that side so for abattoir. Make we take on go for that school. Na primary school where they so it the open people their eye and it the course make ministers except for palaver basic education. Primary school for abattoir. Nadine primary school for abattoir, the one na school for Fed Batanga for that side. So for West region na school this way so we turn back for that primary school for abattoir calling people them for that side na a school this way picking the enter for them. Breeze it don't pass on top the zinc, it don't bend the zinc 11, but even as so the breeze it don't pass so they inside the Calabot house na so for the way the future leader them for Cameroon they so tonton for check as well they go she done for learn book for inside that school. Now the picking them that inside class they the glad fine say they did for inside class please madam say it teach you picking them but sabi say one side for the class again na open air. I say waiting one side for the class again open air for sika say breeze and the zinc they get some small palapala way na breeze he win he left the zinc for his own kind of style. So now hold that when rain e fall it enter for inside that place then picking they go shift when sun it shine they so she down for them. Now the kind condition then that way this picking them for inside primary school for Sabi they call and say abattoir they she done and just for Sabi say even classroom say no be na better classroom if you talk say well they don't give a classroom. Now the big question what they ask them whether na the early them for Konsamba Sabi they go bring this school or na Ngomna e get for help no ask me but this same place according to Toriwe enter for we EM na place that where they go make a vote for 2018. Yes, place where they get for make vote for 2018. So lucky if you meet up the primary school for Sika say they want make vote for that side they go surely lock the zinc. Now Ogalewat you be person wey don the tonton plenty as I be say don the sitting the way pass the one themselves. When you see this kind of school and the condition where picking they learn for insight, what you get them for mind?
Ambassador, my own mind I say no one pikin ever dey clever anyhow. No fit understand, no nothing wey dey study for that kind of house. You dey see some bird dey pass or dey shout, you dey just scream. You no fit dey concentrate for thing wey we dey do. And other way I dey come only for these people wey dey dey for this country. Small time as you be talk, they go pull them for vote. Dem fit manage things say people that they live for that kind of way for this country. We dey shout all they say they so they only go ambassador. I dey na for Melon na no far from Konsamba. Where the city kind of thing from Konsamba, where na sawe all the money for cafe they come out for the country. All that thing where they chop, all that thing for agriculture, it come na for that side. No one better school no fit been for there.
And that side na for Konsamba, that abattoir na some quarter for inside Konsamba, where all thing get for sure say normal, the place we get for be fine.
Yes.
So you dey blame na elite or you dey blame na Ngomna, say na Ngomna need to do the work. Na elite them they go bring school. If you say na elite they get for continue, or Ngomna get for poor hand.
Ambassador, school, they call that one for free na say na regalien. Them say na Gomna get for begin look school. Na Gomna get for begin look light. Na go all that work na work for Gomna.
Na elite they go ask.
Elite they have some say make they bring school because picking them for that elite there for house they know they do nothing and they know say Gomna get for tie school for every side for inside this country. And then at the talk say elite fit one pull hand for that thing where they call APE where Gomna be don't come make it on. He tie school, better school, he look for that thing, he look for chair them, and he begin pay all the teacher away, they go to teach that picking them.
All right, doctor, condition them for school for Cameroon, we go so talk as I say someone the day when they see the one they will talk say better, they enter for day.
I be sure say no country no be talk say if you see that one you will.
No, I mean for inside the same Cameroon. Some other town they do when they see the
yes, so that's why for
better they give them for north.
Yeah, no, for Yoko, for place for former minister of the administration for your village. I be sure say they now they talk say we not even better.
Except for that place for president for Assembly Nationale.
So which way they talk for this one? I be sure say time don't reach where they will carry bag rice, they will carry fish, they will carry meat. Can't get and say when I take them for food when I take that money fix this school for day. And tomorrow na 20 men, you will see they will carry money, go match, they will give you na 2,000, 3,000. For take that money for fix that school for day. Better men they take and they talk say CPD they get population. And they condemn this government directly, say which way they do it not be correct for this country. And I they ask question whether this government really knows say this country na their country or they just being a passerby for the country. Because this kind of thing the way they pass. And even that early, the way they cry say all this and that, you will see money where they will move on for their for time for 20 men or for election. You use them, but where they begin for go fix that school. And they don't feel not true. They don't feel get for go fix the school where government no fix the school. Now government get for do anything because the school now government school, no na private school. If it been a private school for
but before school one come for the na the rights talks for government say me they bring us.
Normally, if we did now, so we get for right for government say this place be so in need for build school for that place. And they do their own contribution, and that's to that amount that PTA money where they pay so now their own contribution that way they do them. And the fit talk say before school one come for some place, Mr. Ambassador, I be sure say early for that place they first start build on 2 classroom. That classroom now government they give them money, now their money where they don't contribute. Like example for my village too, they don't contribute money for build that they say for them before government one come we don't build like some 4 classroom. And that way they don't come now, no, we don't give them that classroom. The money they go for inside our pocket, it go now for government in pocket. Now the reason that way early they should don't, they call say me they come. When they don't come now, they give them for them say when I hand them. You know me say how we don't give them for them. So now so they will begin control. Look school and look below the food where they will come pass for day. If we look this in a shame and live and see time for campaign for here, you will see money where you pay pass, go up and down, a million, buy rice, give for buy meat, cow, give for them. When I take and vote with. Money where they for take and school where picking again for school fine. Now all thing that way they do them. They wait time can correct. Or they go buy post, buy and say when I put me a be senator, when I put me a be this and that. Take that money to you be elite. Use them for do that school. Now for they will not say you be person. Then for go begin buy your buy place for them for be senator.
All right, another story for Palava for school. Now for that side from day for West region, we take on go for place where they call and say Fed Batanga. Now for that side we find school. This one said even day for block better school, but they don't left the school. Now wait to make away they left the school. After we breeze a pass for Desote a Komoda Zing. one time population say he left the school picking say they know the do inside the class say for school the class now only grass they for inside. So na big shame. Another shame to the talk. This palava na grass it dey for inside school, and the school do one self a better way na even block it dey no na self say calabot. But just for sika say breeze e pass e comot zinc for school wey no be the way the people doesn't them for picking for learn for inside, so they don't let the school empty with the ESF say teacher them they know they for that school, and na so to light e no so they for the village for that side. So for Fed Batanga now doctor now another example this we don't just come up for see calabot that put they see calabot now when they see the one with the block they go to say where who give it the block school but no matter for every manager but zinc too you know so they so we get plenty one day so one they go declare say we get calabot block make them block it they block the ways we know they.
Ambassador, you say now for which place? For
Fed Batanga.
Fed Batanga now for
West region, yes.
I will be present for
Senate.
For Snake.
For
senator them.
For senator them.
Now
he come up for West.
Okay, that's good. And Priscilla for which village? For there, no? That will not get for talk. Then the bishop say yes, say they see that program, they see what you do pass. And if you look and very well, Mr. Ambassador, you say all teachers the way they for that school they still pay them, and where school not they go on. Now so Cameroon be you know we get for that one again. Okay, teacher they receive salary for their fine. School not see they again. Yes. And you see and so sometimes school not be even there. They be just go put down so for became invest money for Cameroon.
Alright, okay, what?
Doctor don't talk it all. We already see this kind of thing. So Ambassador, where president for Senate he come on na Bangante. This kind of school they maybe say they no big go school for that place. It they the same like some lycée where they upside they call lycée for from Bopi.
Yes.
I know but ever see that lycée no one day. And every time we affectation day, we receive all money they come out for that lycée from Bopi, no? Money they come out for go all side them. May they take that money for that Prado where they take turn all side, go up, go down. They put road for that for that school. We talk say some other people they cry say for that people for president for Assembly Nationale, all them they the same. They don't show their own country where they don't put na mat for few bamboo. They just don't na for down. I say Muslim they leg for pray na for down. They pull us na for down begin the right. That one na shame. May they take all that money where they take buy big motor they make school for Pekin because they talk say that small Pekin and them in Cameroon for tomorrow. And I see that kind of way. I don't know as they feel be Cameroon for tomorrow where they know they even go for school. Ambassador.
All right. Since we did talk palava for school, we go remain for inside school for talk palava close. Inside the week, we be try for enter for some places and for Mungo division with Tonton, Jombe, Penja, Loom. We even go for Banga side. Only for we for check for see as we picking them for that side. They the learn book and we try for check say picking their own kind clothes now. Now one way you get for she don't quiet, you no need for Tom no nothing. For Sika say just as well they wear some kind of clothes them for outside. Now so to get picking them, even boy picking themselves, they wear their own kind of clothes enter for school. Trusses in the tight man so they skirts it then for level where when breeze it pass if you show people then something. So we turn for Bangam and we turn for Jombe Penja for Loom all corner for try for sure now the kind way picking them now so they be so close. Even girls have my own clothes I wear them where you don't full up all his skin. Boy picking them too the same way. He saw trusses in the kada or he not even care way for Wakam. Now inside school compound this way all the boy then so try for see as we picking the dress. And we sabi say 3 ministers then they be sign book. He never overstay some year them for back where they talk say they go start for whole people there they dress on kind of way. Now picking this for school, see as we put the trouser, see as we the tonton for inside school, and all the one associated today. That book where that 3 ministers them they be sign them. They be work on top that book now one day. After one day, the thing he enter now for inside drawer. So teacher them for inside Mungo division they suffer as well they try for send all the picking them for outside for say make the so correct clothes. Now Ogale what I will come back for you. We don't see this fashion. Plenty people they talk say they follow na fashion, but you feel say na fashion get for follow we or na we get for follow fashion.
Oga Ambassador na nom na say fashion get for follow we, nom na say we get for follow fashion. We for people where they dey Christian, they get some book where na Bible. That Bible on a Quran, that Quran it told the very way man feel live, the very way man feel dress. You know, Nami I be manager publisher for journal J'Accuse. The last number for J'Accuse, I put them, say that people, I don't know if they go must talk, say rap. Say if you rap some girl for road, it no be na crime again. Because that girl, they want put that kind of clothes. They did not see where they do them. They do not say that clothes the way they put them. Now for make say hard for man picking them, you go shake inside. They see them, they like say na marketing them. And as you be talk, some minister they stand for that place. They be three.
Yes, you get civic education. You get even youth social affairs. You get even women empower. All they be joined. They sign book for Palava. War close them for inside country.
Yes.
And they after they sign that book, could be see and say the next day they work for fees. And then put them police. They be casting them. But since that I will never see that kind of thing again happen.
Ambassador, because they like say other people they let for see last for woman them and they let for see short skate them for that young girl because some préfet bibi for Bafoussam he talk say they no go to play some kind of dirty music where be pass for them. Other people for Assemblée Nationale where they no be get time for stand look problem for English crisis they be take time very for that moment for talk say they go lever interdiction where that préfet be put and say they no go they play that kind of music for your own place and they I don't know as the fitting say they own very picking them for us the feeding and for that very Bafoussam you see say that kind of skirt where they put them Oga Ambassador be make say they be cash some 21 girls school them and a boys them for inside some room where they turn that film them for inside. All that skirt where they put them. Even yesterday for Mabanda, some boy them be rep some small girl for there for 14 years. You see that kind of skirt where they put them. You feel put that kind of skirt for you because they don't call me, they tell me say I don't write them. I want to say all woman them they did some kind. I say no. Some boy feel be here now. You see that kind of clothes where we put them. You go check for your own head. You don't get money for go see how Lord no. You turn, you look some picking where they turn for some side. You just catch that picking, take go back side. That kind of clothes they must come out for day. Whether that government they know they do no nothing. Where government no want to see that kind of thing. I don't know say I think say people they must look up for that thing. When you see some guy and that kind of clothes. No, you must try for do something. Or that will hold them tear them one time when I go for court. Or I don't know as we go do for say that kind of nonsense go stop.
All right, doctor. Now inside school session with that thing don't enter. I know sabi what you feel say they fit do for the kind of clothes they we picking they wear them for school.
Mr. Ambassador, teacher be like school picking be like teacher because you go teach picking na how way you teacher you want go wear skirt you wear the one way you can't sit down all picking that they see all kaku for outside. No, tell me you will teach you what you will talk say go move down. Why you go talk for say you don't first wear na waiting. And then second, you know, say man picking get some hard way be very weak plenty. When I wear that kind of thing them now for that is even you do how you must confuse. Then second again, teacher way they teach again, ain't not be able for teach again. Even picking when a man picking way at least we don't mature picking, we don't she don't see that a teacher we don't wear now all could be now for us now. When the teacher they right now, it not be able again for learn all that kind of thing. I really thank prefer for Sagama thing. If you don't give order for some time, they do should they start the respect. Even for lycée blame for a day, they don't start the respect that thing. Now always say low for Cameroon and low for 2 days. When they don't respect 2 to 3 days, they start again they do the same thing. If not so, school picking not support for wear this kind of things. Girls they not support for wear skirt where it passed for years, so just for being a right for them. I be sure say every 90 with the go school before you want you know so we get some kind of system where they tell say once you wait to go home and not be you get for put a mirror for them before you will see say you don't wear that so kind of this thing. But you want say it be the lesson for people mirror you will see himself so even sometimes say one client on top of the cycle now all could that for up. So I be sure say that one be very serious. And the second again, teacher go punish pikin na how. When teacher go punish pikin say go back, you mommy oka or your papa. See, touch and come on now. If you touch my pikin again, I will take you for court. Tell me how a teacher go do him again. Now we parents should encourage big pikin and when pikin they come out for house, the way this kind of thing you pa or you mommy, you see how pikin the way that thing, you remember now waiting. Tell me how you remember. So, before teacher said one talk for pikin.
So if you say waiting, we would you try for teach or the teach with the learn all day as we would the teach people then too. You feel say now waiting gum na fit do for this palava for all school dem for Sikase wey e turn up for all school dem, not only for Mungo division or Waka for do the one, even for Douala here, for Uri, all corner for Cameroon. You see that kind of dress. If you say now, what they fit do?
I be sure say first people where the film maker that thing finish na parent them before because government go give order. You wey parent will leave your pikin they come go school that thing so. Because now you be parent where you go first, you won't buy uniform for your pikin, you give for buy enough uniform for your pikin. Where you know say you see and you want so you hold the thing tear immediately. Me know say tomorrow you know where that kind of thing. Before 9-1 reach or either if you reach now they catch you for school go lock up. You know you forgot talk anything. They punish you very serious. The other one and now they will see I'm not talk say no, I know can't try that thing. But if you leave here where go so they take punish you, you go stand for school. How we don't punish my pikin? I go show you all this and that. Tell me how way some other teacher them they don't fear for do am so. Any man they fear he head. So that the only thing that
so Ogale what I will ask you the same question. If you say for this palava for clothes for picking them, now who get the first blame? Now mommy and papa them for house, or if you say now people there they look all the picking them for school where they know they do their work.
Now all we, and first of all, now that sitcom where they do for look and for all for television for all side, Oga Ambassador, and after Dr. B talk say first problem na parents them. You see some guy where they want come up for us, they take clothes, so they take some kind of clothes, put them for quoi? Well dressed correctly for house. They just come out, go that side school, go for toilet, change clothes. They begin put that kind of dirty clothes them. For that one, parent them not fit do no nothing. Now only say the country they so good laws them day, but the application be problem because that 3 minister where we be talk earlier so they be take some kind of measurement. If they apply that measure, all that thing go stop. Now say they only take one guy where put that thing for road. They kill it for jail, they put it for there for 3 days, and they pay like 20 or 15,000 or 20,000 or 50,000.
Why not even talk 100,000?
They pay so 1 time, 2 time, they will change mind anyhow.
Okay.
Because parent that one be don't pass parent. And I want to talk something again, Ambassador. You say man no forget some tool for inside your hand every time. You have to say man no use that tool where they get time. That person them where they smoke banger as we don't see earlier so they smoke that them banger and they see some girl way pass with all that he calculate them then outside. You know if they say if you see something so you know if they come. You know but go under that tabangondo you begin fanting with the inside. Some Frenchman be talk say some that time where they go for plage. You will go just take clothes for up before you see some last for woman. Maybe they chose me for that one. But now you say now for inside that share no, you will go come out so for see some kind of small clothes where they inside. You know they like before again. Come now get for do something because it don't over. Yes, it don't over.
For outside when I before man once and begin to suffer.
All right, and you know they not only for woman because even man picking themselves, they don't wear some kind of trousers and way it no be ever happen trousers where you put trousers for down. Some time they will tell you say na swag. Say you know they for fashion like this one, so say you say na swag in the swag so. So man picking themselves they dey for inside the palava just as woman them so na big trouble where all man get for shiny eye for that side. Make we enter now so for palava for 20th May. Make we take una go for Tombel this morning time for that side. So for Tombel for this morning time it be day na palava for Waka for peace. But how Tombel town says it be day this morning time. Make we enter for inside this image for show na as we Tombel it be day this morning time will be enter for Tombel na Tombel town for this morning time. Plenty people them according to Tori enter for ES. Some of them they don't run come up for town. Some of them they also get hurt. They day for town after we Pungu it be pass. But that one you know disturb Oga Do, Yam Yona and other people them for make their sport worker this morning time for that side so for Tombe. After that one they can't try for make their ways them make small stretch for say May 20 it go pass fine. But Sabi say Tombe town say according to Tori enter for ES. Some people they don't run come up for town for Sika fear say they be here say fight if it happen for the weekend. But DO it don't talk say all thing it dey fine for inside Tombe town as well they make this their sport worker this early morning time for Tombe. Make we hear wetin way Yam Yona e get for talk for Sika wetin way they make that worker this morning time.
Now they encourage any person where you don't come off for Tombe, say make that person come back because some people they don't throw some what talk say Tombe not they fine, Jan army they come they disturb people them, this one they come. The army then they for protect the population. Now their role, and I think that we don't always do. And I think since some small problem and they Tombe don't always be at the top level in terms of security. So now why they talk for that small population where they don't go back, may they come back because Tombe they find no problem not there for here. And may they come back so that tomorrow we celebrate National Day.
Yes, now got you that for that side. So for Tombel will be Jacquino Molom. He be putting microphone to for you. Be try for Axie. Waiting be the strong talk. We don't get announce so for people them for that side. So for Tombel, as well tomorrow na big day.
March we will make on this morning. Now for sure the unity of our nation, and for sure say Cameroonians all over. Tombel, where they day for Tombel, they don't choose for worker like one person. They don't choose for talk the language of peace. They don't choose for make sure say make all man worker fine and make all things they go fine. Talk say this march we will.
So now Oga Yam you know that for that side. So for Tombel and just for Sabi say inside the same chapter make we take on a go combo. We go join all that palaver for 20 May for talk and full him. For that side for Kumbu for Norway's the whole week according to Toriwe enter for BEM. It be then a country Sunday and people necessarily they be there for outside for that side. So for Kumbu it be then a big palaver for them. For Sika say they no be get way for make their normal binet. Okada people that say they can't turn up for say they carry people that they fear, they never come up for outside. And Sabi say even Oga Prime Minister he be spend the whole this weekend for that side. So for Combo, yes, now for Northwest region where Palava for country Sunday, he make all bine them for die all the one and so now for second number 20 day for inside this moon where it go be a big day for country where plenty of the people them they don't pass some kind of story them say make people they run, make people they do the one, people they do the one. So now the picture that where we see them for inside Combo for inside the week. And just for Sabi say before we talk this palaver for 20 May for Sabi say governor for Southwest Oga Bernardo Kalabilai, he don't talk say that's a voice where the worker for social media. He never ever signed that kind of book before for say make people they no feel free. He don't instead talk now say make all population for Southwest they prepare say they don't keep all security for say make team the worker fine for 20 May way he come tomorrow and governor for Southwest himself he don't promise all people there for Southwest say team for that side for Southwest he go worker fine. Only thing I say waiting Okada people them they get for stop for worker when 7 o'clock he don't reach. Now, Oga Lewat, I will begin for talk with you as I be say this 20 May, it been a some special 20 May, no na for Sika say we never ever glad with National Day, but na for Sika say it come for some kind of time where country it say some kind of way. Now, when you see you don't hear you say be Tory man, you don't follow the Tory the way it will happen. How you wait there for Douala way be Tory man you get for talk for this palaver?
Oga Ambassador. Anyhow, they for Douala better be Cameroonian. Country no they go well, no small. And for some other side, we no get for stop for make deal with first day for unity. But this unity they come for some time where they like say this country chief no day because all things they go all side. They shoot this side. They shoot people where they. You don't show na ghost time. You don't show them for this time. So that CEO he will go make a foot in isolate. But no man no there for upside. They will manage. Prime Minister if he go he talk anyhow. If hard for some man no there for say go make that face. He no fit go. But all we with the prayer say make all that thing turn up. We as he say since. Past 1 year with the prayer, but that with prayer
2 years.
2 years. I don't know if got the year way or the year way. And I say people where they there for command for this country, they know the year, know nothing. They woke up now, talk say all things they correct, may they go work for begin make fête de l'unité for that English side. They don't fit do waiting for bring that small peace for that side English side where people for church don't talk. We journalists, we don't talk. Every people, say that people for foreign country, they don't talk. Say me they come sit down for son side, for son table, they try sit down plaba correctement. You think say that first day fi bien for that English side, for say we begin talk say we being fine. You know fi being fine.
Yeah, but will service for Boyam
Uh-huh.
if you work a fine for the headquarter them think if you work a fine, but the small
Yes,
town, them
now yeah, the talk say thing where you had no day day. They fit can hold you say me go mash. You go mash because they don't hold you. But when you had no day for that mash we want do one. That people for big town them they will come out because casting go there for them back. So I must go and that people them major people where they go worker now people for CPDM. I want to say if I be there I be for go but I tell them say that security where I be talk. They be first tell we say security day for that 11 February and they go command na some big man for the cash and carry am or now we be tell take am go outside till today we don't know and away they be stand for all television talk say security day for outside now I fit go march for the 11 February because security day and that sous-préfet till now they know about CPA where sous-préfet don't go they don't know as they fit do that day. Say on all that military for the country, they will go that place. Them say all things be fine. I think say Papa before talk only small for say all that had them go down before we see as we will do.
Now, Doc Ibrahim, National Unity for Country. Now Sunday number 20 day for this month. We don't just talk small. When you say look, as waiting the past, you day for Douala for a day, all things work fine, but you get people them for down.
Well, Mr. Ambassador, Bishop said you want some place where man if you want to talk na TAP can come off for a year. Because for because I be the member my own says sometime day like the 19th of today, so it been as some national day where they begin for organize as a national dialogue day for see how we the film make dialogue for this country. We go do now how now only God you one who can solve the problem because some people they don't take this one already, it be their business. The problem, some people don't take and be their business. When I get small problem with you, they will just talk and say, you be in amber. They will do it for you. So if I get problem, me and you now for my village, say I be headquarter, I want to do so, I will go see Joe talk for you, say you be amber. When I don't go become organized meeting, they can't catch you now, talk say when I amber. And government, you know, they look this thing fine before they do. I want to be senator now. I'll go talk say, I don't try, I want make a make amber, they don't enter my village. I they make fine, I they work fine, make amber, they don't enter my village. They put me as a senator. Why government not fit go detail for this situation, see what way they? I be they expect say today the 19th but get for being a national day. The president for create this day today as a national day for create dialogue, call the whole country, they should don't for down. All pastors, they all demand they should don't for down, make prayer today. Call dialogue, make they should don't for down, see what way they for inside the whole country. But up to them, they know the do. Now you don't talk say now only God the one will solve the problem. And time when God will solve the problem, so other people they will cry because some people some other people in their way they don't want to say they can't solve the problem. So that made they became profit, they begin make the senator, they begin make the minister, all this and that. So now the only thing that we fit on Mr. Ambassador.
Okay.
And he do something so Mr. Ambassador, he FIBA say something where we probably talk. He dey like say he be don't member for a heart say thing where Cameroon and the thing, no na thing with them where they been for Yaoundé, they the thing. Because Pabi don't shit on for Yaoundé, it comes say for Douala ya, where we struggle, we the cry. Pate we say, Paul Biate we say, tant que Yaoundé respire, le Cameroun vit. It seems like say they fit kill one at skin like for that side, for that other side. Anyhow, that time where that thing no reach Yaoundé, no? Ah, like Cameroon they fine. There's someone for that government. They don't talk say no problem, no day for that side. Huh? Okay, now say if Yaoundé di respirer, like Cameroon they fan. Okay, if not so, not so.
All right, country people them. Now for you we'll go finish program for this afternoon. If when I don't look and find, I bring two people them. I bring Lewat. Got Lewat we. He says where you hear name, you go understand. Say now we brother for this side for Douala, and I call Oga Dr. Ibrahim. When now we own person we come up for Bamen. That's when I will talk say Cameroon na one no.
Cameroon na one.
Yes, so I bring you and I bring you. Yes, so you don't hear so our brother Lewa say you don't knock pigeon today. Now for say we dey look now for one place, we dey go now for before. So I want to thank you plenty of Galewat for your time, and as Sabi say go the fine time again for the journey for this side.
Anyhow, but I want to salute some young girl, Mr. Ambassador, where they don't pass 100 years. Her name na Madame Veuve Twatat Mbencha. Oui, my papa dit name na Ngasa Lidi. I want to salute you very one, and I salute all the population for Melon. You know, say my newspaper come out na Melon, and I talk for all Cameroonians, despite of all good feast of unity.
National big day for National Day. Yes, Oga Doctor.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Some your friend there for that side for day. He like us follow your program. Say your name na ye not just said. He said me salute you.
Okay.
And I be sorry because on one of my friend I began go sign a marriage certificate, but I not go because of this program. But I beg sorry for you, Mr. Julius. Then I salute all my family then, and they were special. They were on the way they for prison. Bangul and Guy were there for prison. Say me they should don't quiet. Me they don't worry. God they now only God you one who can solve the problem.
Okay.
Please, many kisses for all Madam Lowat then.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so country people them now, so we see this number 19 day for inside number 5 moon where they talk happy National Day for all people them and happy as a Pentecost Day too where a photo for the same National Day for inside country. Once a big thank you for Warenze Day and even you Martin Mangele for the other side Nadine and Gwa for Bide Day and even you various you will be help for see make people they see we for outside day. Make una wait Sunday rebroadcast for morning time. Ambassador go turn back for a Monday. Make una hold am tight.